Hello guys, how to fix if your Bluetooth connected but audio device having no sound on your iPhone. And to fix Bluetooth audio device issues, tap on settings and tap on Bluetooth and make sure that your device is showing here and click on info and forget this device and again tap on forget device. Thereafter turn off Bluetooth and again turn on Bluetooth and Bluetooth audio device showing here connect there. And check whether your Bluetooth device having sound or not. If not, go to the sound and haptic settings and scroll down and tap on headphone safety. Tap on it and make sure that reduce loud audio is disabled. Otherwise, you can increase this decibel and either turn off it. The next fixed is again tap on settings, go to general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Again tap on reset, unlock your iPhone, tap on reset network settings and unlock your iPhone and again tap on reset network settings and check whether your audio device having sound or not, issues fixed or not. If not, again go to same page, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode and tap on reset all settings. And your Bluetooth audio device, no audio error will definitely resolve. That's all.